Hello, my dear students. Welcome to your mathematics class with your Ashu ma'am. Dear students, we are doing unit 13 surface areas and volume, and we are running 13.6 exercise. Today we are going to do question number 6, 7 and 8 of 13.6 exercise. So let's start with question number 6. But before doing the question number 6, if you like my videos, press the bell icon given to you under the video and subscribe my channel. So let's do question number 6. So dear students, question number 6 is the capacity of capacity means volume of a closed cylindrical point. To be noted, the vessel is closed, means it is having top and it is having the bottom. उस lid भी है और base भी है. Of height 1 meter and its capacity is 15.4 liters. How many square meters of metal sheet would be needed to make it? Of course, capacity means उसके अंदर कितना fill कर सकते हैं, that is given to us. और कितना square meters means area निकालना है metal sheet required in making this vessel. Dear students, the vessel is closed means जो हम शीट मेटल यूज़ करेंगे वो हम उसका लिड बनाने में भी यूज़ करेंगे, उसका बेस भी और उसका कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया भी. सो to get the square meters of metal sheet, we need to find out the total surface area of this cylindrical vessel. But before doing this, we have been given that capacity of cylindrical vessel is this and the height of the vessel is 1 meter. So as I told you, whatever is given to you, start doing the question from that. Now cylindrical vessel capacity is given to you. So let us start with this capacity. The capacity is, formula is pi r square h, 15.4 liters. But dear students, the volume is given to us in liters, but the height is in meters. So when we will put the value of height in meters, we have to convert this liters into meters, and 1 liter is equal to 1 by 1000 cubic centimeter. So what do? We will divide this to convert into cubic meters. Now let us cross multiply to get the radius. So 15.4 multiplied by 7 divided by 22 into 1 meter. So 1 meter means square is left. So r square 2 r हैं तो इसलिए 2 meters हैं. So when you will solve it, dear students, you will get 49 divided by 10,000. Right? This will be obtained. But by removing the decimal and all, you will get this. So square root will become square root. So the radius will be, this is the square of 7 and this is the square of 100. So for this we'll place the decimal by leaving the 2 digits. So 0.07 meter is the radius of the cylindrical vessel, right? So I have left 1000, so we'll get this value and this radius will be obtained. Now we have to find out the area of the metal sheet required in making this vessel. Now where do we use the metal sheet? We will use the metal sheet in making the cylindrical portion as well as lid and as well as the base. That means total surface area is needed to be find out. So what do we write? Metal sheet required in making this vessel, cylindrical vessel, is equal to its total surface area. And what is the formula for total surface area of cylinder? Pi r into 2 pi r into r plus h, right? So just put the values and get the answer. So 2 into pi r. Dear students, here this r. Now let me tell you about the calculation. This radius is in multiplication. So here we can put this fraction value to make the calculation easier. But within the bracket it is an addition, so it will be easier for this. तो हमें decimal value easy रहेगी put करने में. Right? How? See, इससे हमारा डायरेक्ट कैंसिल हो गया. So 2 into 22 by 100, and this will be easy to add. 1 plus 0 is 1.07. So whenever the radius is in multiplication, put the fraction value, and if it is in addition subtraction, put this decimal value. Now by solving this, we'll get the area of this metal sheet as 0.4708 square meter. So that much metal sheet is required to make this cylindrical vessel. Now let's do question number 7. So dear students, our next question is, a lead pencil consists of a cylinder of wood with a solid cylinder of graphite filled in the interior. So you all have seen a pencil. We all know that it is made up of a wood, and inside the cylindrical wood we have a cylindrical part of graphite. Both are cylindrical in shape. What is given to us is the diameter of the pencil is 7 millimeter and the diameter of graphite is 1 millimeter. Both the diameters are given to us. If the length of the pencil is 14 centimeter, find the volume of the wood and that of graphite. So dear students, you all have seen a pencil. The pencil will look like this, and this part which you can see is in red color, this is wood, and inside the wood we have, inside this wooden part we have this black part, that is of graphite. As you can see, both are cylindrical in shape and both the things are filled in this cylindrical posture, right? दोनों filled हैं. That means they are talking about the volume of both the things. Now let us come to the point, what are the things given to us? First of all, the length of both the parts, whether it is graphite part or it is wooden part. Height of this part is 14 centimeter. Now diameter of pencil is given to us 7 millimeter, so its radius will be half of it. We can say 7 by 2 or 3.5 millimeter. And diameter of graphite, of course it is smaller in circumference, so its diameter is 1 millimeter, so radius will be 1 by 2 or 0.5 millimeter. But the point comes that the height is given in centimeters and the radius or diameter is there with us in millimeters. So we have to convert either centimeters into millimeters or millimeters into centimeters. So because we are going to calculate the volume, so we will use the bigger unit centimeter. So that's why we will convert these millimeters into centimeters by dividing the given value. Okay, whatever is given to us, so we will divide millimeters to convert them into centimeters by dividing it by 10. So let's start. So let us first find out the complete volume of the pencil, that is volume of the pencil. Let us find out. And pencil means both the volume of wood and graphite. तो हम ये निकाल लेते हैं. Let us calculate it. 22 by 7. Radius of pencil is, because it is in multiplication, as I told you, whenever the radius is in multiplication, put the fractional value. But if it is in addition subtraction, then put the decimal part. So we are going to use this. So we will write 7 by 2 millimeter into 7 by 2 millimeter. But height is given to us in centimeters, that is 14 centimeter. So we have to convert these millimeters into centimeters by dividing the values by 10. So let us take 22 by 7, 7 by 2. Let us take a 10 in the denominator to convert it into centimeter. Same here, 7 by 2 into 10 to convert it into centimeter. Now the whole part is converted into centimeter. So by solving it, we'll get the value of the complete pencil as. So it will be 5.39 cubic centimeter. This is the volume of the complete pencil. Now let us find out the volume of graphite only. So volume of graphite. In this pencil, again it is cylindrical in shape, so pi r square h, like this. 22 by 7, radius Graphite radius is 1 by 2 millimeter into again 1 by 2 millimeter because square is there into height is 14 centimeter. So let us first convert these millimeters by dividing 10 to convert them into centimeters. Now let us calculate the volume of the graphite in this pencil. So it will be 0.11 cubic centimeter. So this is one answer, that is the volume of the graphite. But now we need to find out the volume of only wood, and pencil volume means both the combination wood and graphite. So क्या किया जाए, अगर मैं इस पूरी पेंसिल के वॉल्यूम में से ग्रेफाइट वाला पोर्शन माइनस कर दूं, then see if I'll remove this graphite portion, remove करना होता है माइनस करना, तो we'll left with only wood. So what do we do? Volume of wood in pencil will be, so what do we write? Volume of pencil minus volume of graphite. So it will be 5.39 minus 0.11. So what will be the volume? It will be 28 cubic centimeter. This is the volume of the wood used in making this pencil, and this is the volume of the graphite which is filled in this pencil. So I hope the question is clear to you. Now dear students, try question number 8 yourself. That's all for now. Thank you.